Today I'm making a rich, flavorful Nigerian chicken stew. Very simple, really delicious, and perfect for your weekly meals. And without wasting time, let's get started. First, I'll start by cleaning my chicken thoroughly. This chicken have been cleaned thoroughly. If you want, you can add some vinegar. You will rinse it with water and then add the vinegar. But for me, I'm short of vinegar, so I add some lemon just to remove impurities, okay, from this chicken and also the excess fats. You can then pat it dry if you want, but for me, I'm just going to place it directly into my pot that I'm going to be using. Now for the seasoning. I'm going to blend some scotch bonnet and then add it if you want, just for spiciness. I will add some ginger. I'm going to add some rosemary, salt, bouillon powder, curry, some thyme, a little bit of thyme, some ginger and garlic powder, onions, and a touch of paprika if you want. That is just for color. Anyway, it is optional. I will mix everything together, and if you want, you can just allow the chicken to marinate for at least 20 minutes. What I normally do is to mix them like it after cleaning the chicken, and I will leave them to marinate overnight, okay? But because I do not have time to do that, just because I wanted to show you the process, I didn't do it. So I will now place the seasoned chicken into a pot without adding any water. I will cover it and let it cook gently on a low heat for like 10 minutes. Thereafter, I will then come. Why did I do that? I want the chicken to release its own natural juices, okay? This will help deepen the flavor and it will keep the chicken very tender. Once it starts releasing moisture, I will stir it occasionally and I will let it simmer until the liquid reduces. Now, while the chicken cooks, I will prepare my pepper base, which you have seen in this video. I will blend them, the red bell pepper, the onions, scotch bonnet, ginger. I didn't add garlic, okay? The scotch bonnet, and I will blend it until it is smooth. This combo gives the stew its signature, yes, Nigerian flavor and its vibrant color. That is it. So after my pepper base, then when the chicken is fully cooked, I will remove it from the pot and eat some oil. I will light fry the chicken pieces onto golden brown, okay? So what this step does, it will enhance the flavor and it will give the chicken a fantastic texture. Using the same oil that I use in frying the chicken, I will saute some onions, some chopped onions. And my family don't really like onions, okay? Then I will pour in my blended pepper mix and I will fry it down until it begins to separate the oil. This ingredient is like a secret ingredient to my chicken stew. It's so good. Try and use it and you will keep coming back to it. Now, after the oil begins to separate, it means that the stew is well fried. When you see the oil separate from the stew, okay? At this point, I will add my chicken stock. I will adjust it. Before that, I will first of all add my chicken, okay? Before adding my chicken stock, then you can at this point adjust seasoning with some salt. If you want to add some salt, just adjust it like to your preference. Taste it and say that, oh, everything is perfect and you are all good to go, okay? Then I return the fried chicken into the pot and I will stir it gently, okay, to coat it in the rich stew. I will let everything simmer for a few minutes so the flavor can blend beautifully, which is what we have seen in this video. This soup came out so good, so perfect. I mean, I can't imagine this stew does not even last 2 days in my God, that very good. And just like that, our Nigerian chicken stew is ready. Very rich, vibrant and absolutely delicious. Okay, you can enjoy this with rice, yam, plantain, or anything you love. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to like, don't forget to share this video and subscribe for more amazing Nigerian stew. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you, a big thank you to all my subscribers, everyone that keeps coming back, and I am grateful to have you all here. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye.